guys, Kirk here with the World Monster Truck Alliance. This is last chance shootout race number 2. One of these 12 trucks will make it automatically into the World Finals and take the last spot. If you were watching last time in last chance shootout number 1, our winner was MJED 2017 in Raging Bull. So this is, like I said, the last chance shootout number 2. Last chance to get into the World Finals here. We'll have started off with the Green Grave Digger. That is Monster Jam sign-up series going up against Titan. Titan is Minecraft Racer 73. And it's going to be the Green Grave Digger with the win. However, we will take our top 2 slow qualifiers, fast losers. So, Minecraft Racer right now still has a shot. The next matchup is the yellow Max D. That is Project Rod going up against the Slingshot. Slingshot is Dave 609. And it's Dave 609 with the win. Dave 609 will go on. And right now, Project Rod is the slowest of the 2 losers. He's on the bubble. Fox Sports 1 Cletus, FS1 Cletus is... Where is he? Tommy Tuscaris. And he'll go up against Raging Steel. Raging Steel is N and S2 2017. And hold on. A little false start there. By So, we'll go ahead and line them back up. Tommy Tuscaris once again in Fox Sports 1 Cletus, and an S2 2017 in Raging Steel. And this time, it is Tommy Tuscaris in Fox Sports 1 Cletus going the furthest, taking the win, and Raging Steel moves into the number 2 fast loser spot. So once that will knock out the yellow Max D. Project Rod's hopes of making the World Final done. And then we have Destroyer. Destroyer is Monster Jam Collector 14 going up against Sobe. Sobe is Monster Jam 626. And Monster Jam 626 tried to cut him off, but it didn't work. Destroyer's going to take that win. Monster Jam Collector 14 takes the win. Sobe not further than Raging Steel, so Sobe goes home. Sobe goes on the trailer and is calling it a night after that loss. Now we have the red Max D. And in the red Max D, that is JK Cup Series going up against Jester. Jester is... Who is this? Who's in Jester? Where's Jester? Jester is Hot Wheels Monster Jam 11. JK Cup Series and Hot Wheels Monster Jam 11. And it's Jester Hot Wheels Monster Jam 11 going on. And the red Max D not a fast enough of a loser to go to the next round, so he's going to be out too. And our last matchup of the first round is Aftershock Mario Minecraft and the orange Gravedigger Joseph Nelson. Nelson took an early lead and holds on with the best run of the last chance qualifiers. Orange Max D. Joseph Nelson goes on. However, Aftershock was the best of the fast losers, surpassing both Titan and Raging Steel. So our fast losers are Aftershock and Titan. Titan will draw the first round, the first matchup of the next round, and it is Titan. Minecraft Racer 73 going up against the Green Gravedigger. I think this is a rematch from the first round, if I remember correctly. And the Green Gravedigger once again is Monster Jam sign-up series. Close race, but this time Titan Minecraft Racer 73 goes on to the final four here. He sends a Gravedigger truck on the trailer. Slingshot Dave 609, I believe. Let me double check that. Yes, Slingshot is Dave 609 going up against Tommy Tiscaris and Fox Sports 1 Cletus. And it is. Hold on. That was a lot closer, as a late charge by Fox Sports 1 Cletus is not quite enough to win. It's going to be Dave 609 and Slingshot. So Dave 609 will go on to the next round. Then we've got Destroyer next. Destroyer's Monster Jam Collector 14 going up against Jester. Jester's Hot Wheels Monster Jam 11. Close race at the first, but it is Destroyer picking up the W. Destroyer, great run. And so Destroyer, Monster Jam Collector 14 goes on, sending Jester home. Aftershock was your fast loser. Goes up against his opponent from the first round, Orange Gravedigger, Joseph Nelson. These are two of the trucks that had two of the best runs in the first round. Joseph Nelson against Mario Minecraft. And once again, the Orange Digger prevails. Joseph Nelson going on. So that sets our final four. And Joseph Nelson is the Gravedigger team's last hope of getting into the World Finals. But first, Titan Minecraft Racer 73 going up against Dave 609 and Slingshot. And a good run, but it looks like Titan coming back after being the fast loser in the first round will go on to the finals. Titan going on to the finals. Knocks out Dave 609. Destroyer. Once again, Monster Jam Collector 14 going up against Joseph Nelson and the Orange Gravedigger. And this time the Orange Gravedigger goes down to defeat Destroyer with a big win. It is Monster Jam Collector 14 in Destroyer going up against Minecraft Racer 73 in Titan. The winner of this gets that last spot into the World Finals. And close run, but it is. In a come from behind win, Destroyer Monster Jam Collector 14 cuts him off to get the win. Monster Jam Collector 14 will take that 32nd spot in our World Finals field. Stay tuned for that World Finals coming up next.